Hey, it's Jason Hennessey, and in this video, I am going to share 20 years of me studying the Google algorithm because I now have it, and I'm going to reveal it to you right now. Guess what? There is no secret. Like Google truly wants to just satisfy the intent of what people are searching for, right? And so you can think all day long that you're going to kind of manipulate the Google algorithm, and there are certain things that you can do. But ideally, if you're actually like literally publishing content that satisfies the intent of what people are looking for, and as a result, your content is so good that people want to link to it naturally, right? That's a good thing. So that's going to boost the algorithm because the algorithm is built upon like popularity signals. And if you take care of your website, meaning from a technical perspective, and you're making sure that you don't have a lot of problems and issues and page speed and broken links and stuff like that, at the end of the day, guess what? Google will reward you, but you have to be consistent. You just can't create a blog and just publish 10 pages and think that you're going to dominate the world, right? Like there's a reason why Wikipedia ranks in the top 3 of Google for just about everything because they're consistent, right? They've got content that truly is a thought leader on every single subject. And because of that, people are linking back to it, talking about it, sharing it, right? So how can you create that Wikipedia within your industry? And if you do that right, you really don't have to worry too much about Google algorithm